This is Igbo area TV. Hello, welcome. This TV is about the Igbos. And since it's about the Igbos, we also use this opportunity to talk about one great man who has been the friend of the Igbos. He is no other person but FFK, Olufemi Kayode. This man has been in support of the Igbos. The great FFK is under the weather, but certainly not out. This is a special show for him on Igbo Area TV. We had his facing some challenges, and we use this opportunity to beg our viewers to pray with and for him. The great FFK is under the weather, but certainly not out. He needs your prayers and support more than ever. Listen, please share this video. He needs your prayer and support more than ever. Yes, your prayer can go a long way to making this friend of the Igbo healed. We call this man the Lion of the West, Odum Ago, the servant of truth, the voice of the voiceless. He is down, but certainly he is not out. He has been under strong doctor supervision, as we are now forced to take his health very, very seriously. Unlike most VIPs in the country, Olufemi Kayode has not traveled abroad for proper medical checkups, as his passport has been seized for most of that time. But it became expedient he went last year after he was out from the Gulag Buhari and the EFCC put him, where he met Nnamdi Kanu. His doctors feared that he might have been poisoned, but he refused to believe that, and he went on for months advocating and relentlessly opposing the tyrannical government against doctors' advice. This even made most of us around him, including his dear wife, mad and angry at him that he stubbornly puts his life and his well-being on the line for defending his country and the oppressed. For more than a week now, he has been very down and he needs proper medical checkup and proper rest. But while he is down, the irresponsible government are still busy sending armed men to his home and all over the place looking for him. Threats and calls have also been made by officers of the security agents to close friends and family members demanding to know the whereabouts of this couple. They are so bent on hurting and eliminating him, his wife, and also bent on taking him back to the Gulag where they have vowed to put him till 2019 using the Dasuki El-Zazaki format. For weeks now, Chikwendo Precious has been receiving death threats from agents and friends of the government who have told her to tell her husband to keep his mouth shut and stop attacking the president. Why will any responsible government go after a heavily pregnant lady? Is it because she is Igbo? Is it because she is the driving force behind FFK? Is that why they want to harass and kill her? What have the innocent unborn babies done to them? What has their young 2-year-old son, Aragon, done to them? Is this how opposition figures should be treated in a civilized country? FFK has already been locked up and tortured by the Buhari government on several occasions, and there was a time they put him in the cell with Boko Haram terrorists, hoping that he would be killed and or maimed. They did not know that God was with him, and the terrorists could not harm him, but instead showed him kindness. We all must condemn these barbaric satanic moves from these people and rise up against these killers. Even after they have been shamelessly exposed by the prophecy of God's servant, Apostle Suleiman, they want to kill Precious. They are still bent on carrying their evil plans for their Oga at the top. The story is that Probably, order has come from above that FFK must be detained indefinitely and put through the mill because of his historic and powerful Enugu handshake across the Niger speech, which called for the banning of Mayeti Allah, the labeling of the Fulani herdsmen as terrorists, and which raised the history of the evil of this regime and the Nigerian state against IPOB, the Biafrans, the Igbo, and the people of Middle Belt. He called for Southern and Middle Belt unity. That was his crime. Now they want to destroy him, lock him up indefinitely, torture him, and kill his wife. The world should know that if anything happens to either FFK or his wife and children, it is purely from this government. Please pray for your dear FFK, lovers of truth. Pray for God's protection on his innocent wife, his beautiful son Aragon, and his innocent unborn children. And trust me, he will come out renewed, stronger, more powerful, and better than the FFK we have known. He has always been a fighter. He is the Lion of the West, the Odum Ago, the Otumba, the David of the Lord, the lone voice in the wilderness, the champion of the oppressed, and the tormentor of the tyrant. He will rise above these and come out stronger. God bless you all. Please, our Igbo area TV, our viewers, please pray for him. We believe your prayer can go a long way. Please pray for him. He has been standing for the cause of the oppressed. Please pray with us for him. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.